Hi everyone, this is Angel from 52 Framework. I just wanted to go over the feature full HTML5 page and what it offers. So to start with, there's the new video tag, which has fallback for older browsers, and it has a special styling that looks like Vimeo. And then underneath it, there's the HTML5 form, which actually uses JavaScript to validate itself. So you notice that it will validate for you. So entering a number, for example, helps, and if this needs to be an email, continue checking until you enter the right email. And then I'm going to go into the HTML and show it to you really quick after this video, or after we get through this. There's also Canvas, which I'd like to show you, and the local storage. So let's go through these really quickly. Here in the head, you notice that we've included this video.js. That's needed, and you need to initialize it, and we use jQuery so that it does it on DOM load. Then you see that there's the CSS for it, and then the special styling that looks like Vimeo as well. And for the validator, we use validator.js, and again we initialize it with jQuery and call it on any form we'd like to validate. So let's look at the markup for the video first, and actually there's the canvas as well, which is just our example. So let's go over and start looking into the actual HTML. So here's the video tag, and you will notice that it has a PNG. So that's when the video, before the video starts playing. Has sources for all the types that are supported today. There's also the object fallback for Flash and all of that. So there's documentation if you go to videojs.com, and in the form you notice that we use the HTML5 required attribute to indicate that a field is required, and we use the type email to validate via email. Same thing here, type number to enter a number, and type and required so that it validates. Let's go down and look at the Canvas example. It's actually pretty simple as far as the HTML part goes. It's just a div with an ID, Canvas cross browser div, and the main action happens in the Canvas example JS file, which you notice has some nice comments so you can read about it, and we also include the xcanvas file, which is was made by Google, and that enables basically Canvas to work in Internet Explorer 7 and 8. And you notice we have if Internet Explorer include the xcanvas file, and that's how that works. Let's keep looking. So let's look at the local storage. It's again pretty simple. Let's see, we have a class key and a class value, and once the DOM is initiated, we use jQuery to handle the submit, and we get the value for the key. We handle the value, and then we set a value with this function right here, and you can look into that and how it works. There's a tutorial here that explains it in better detail. So that's all the cool features that the full featured page has. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.